I am literally obsessed with NYX products. Like, the skin tint is literally 10 out of 10.
I'm a star, cause I slay, I slay, I slay, I slay.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. So today I'm gonna be doing a full face of makeup. I'm gonna be doing like a soft glam makeup look today. I'm gonna be using all NYX products today. Shout out to NYX, y'all. Your girl is literally working with NYX Professional Makeup. Like, what? Yes, I get to work with NYX. I can't even believe it. This is like literally a dream come true. So they sent me over their new skin tint. This is their new skin tint, and this is the Buttermilk Glaze Soft Glam Skin Tint, and this is in the shade Praline Butter, which is number 6. I also have their bronzer and their blush. So I'm super excited to try these out. And then I have their new Buttermilk Highlight too. This is their Bright and Butter Highlight, so I'm excited to use this. So yeah, y'all, let's get into it. Hey, if you are looking for a new skin tint for the summer, this is gonna be your best friend. I can't wait to try it out. So I've already prepped my skin, moisturized, and primed my face. So now I'm just gonna go in with some skin tint. Ooh, this blends out so smoothly. This is perfect for the summertime because it literally has SPF inside, so you don't have to worry about getting your SPF. Ooh, I love the way this is blended out so far, and it literally looks perfect on my skin. It feels like I have nothing on. This is what the skin tint is looking like so far. It looks good. I like it. And now I'm just gonna go in with Juvia's Place concealer. I wish I had a NYX concealer. Just gonna go in with a small amount. I'm gonna go in with Born This Way concealer. This is in the shade Sand. And then Juvia's Place is in the shade 10. I'm just gonna do a little bit so I can have a bright under eye. A little bit on my forehead. And bring a little bit down my nose. Hey, I think I'm gonna actually do my brows really quickly. And I'm using e.l.f. pomade for my brows. Okay, so now my brows is done. I'm about to blend out my concealer. So now I'm gonna set my concealer with setting powder, and I'm using the setting powder from Laura Mercier. And when I'm putting my setting powder on, I'm applying it to everywhere I put the concealer. So now I'm going in with the NYX Buttermelt bronzer, and this is in the shade Buttermatch. Ooh, she's so pretty. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the bronzer, and I'm just applying that to my cheekbones. Ooh, that's very pigmented. I didn't mean to go crazy like that. Put some on my forehead, some on my chin. And let's actually blend that upwards. I did not try to go crazy with the bronzer. Ooh. And I could actually just take my foundation brush and clean it up a little bit. Whenever you mess up, when you're doing your makeup, just go back in with your foundation brush and clean it up. I'm gonna take some on my nose. Ooh, that's so pigmented. I did not think it was gonna be that pigmented.
Hey baby, I love you.
So now I'm gonna go in with their blush. This is the shade My Butter Have. So cute. And she's so pretty. Okay, so let me just take a small amount of this. Let me not go too crazy because I know it's gonna be super pigmented. And just apply some of that blush on my cheeks. Okay. Yes. NYX did not come to play. And I'll take some powder and just clean up my contour. Okay, it's looking really good so far. So now I'm going in with the NYX lip liner. And this is Espresso. Hey. And then I'm gonna go in with the NYX Butter Gloss. And now I'm just gonna go in with the Morphe spray and just set my face. So I just went in with the NYX Buttermelt Highlight. This is their new highlighter. This is in the shade 5, Bright and Butter. And I just went in with the highlight on my nose, right here, and on my brows. I think I'm just gonna go a little bit right here, just a little bit, to brighten up my inner corner, brighten up my eye just a little bit. Just a little bit. Ooh, should I put some on my cheeks? Just, oh my gosh. Just a small amount of highlight. Brings out your makeup. It looks so good. OMG, my makeup literally eats. I literally ate this look up and left no crumbs. Hey, okay, period. Slay. Y'all already know what's going on. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe because we be literally slaying over here. So yeah, girl, this is the finished look. I am literally obsessed with NYX products. Like, the skin tint is literally 10 out of 10. The bronzer, the blush, oh my goodness, 10 out of 10. And then where's the blush? Or the highlight, OMG, I love this highlight. It's literally the cutest. It literally, all these products literally slayed my makeup today. Like, this is perfect for the summertime. It's a soft glam and it's quick and easy, and you are going to be slaying the summertime with this new NYX Buttermelt Skin Tint. So if you want to get these products, make sure you click the description bar. I'm going to list all of the products that I use in this video, and you can get your hands on it because I literally ate this look up and left no crumbs. I love NYX. Shout out to NYX for sending me over their products. I love y'all so much. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye.